everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Please hit that like and subscribe button and let's go ahead and get started. So I originally wanted to get the Natali Carmona nail lab box, and I watched her video when it first came out. I think it was like the last week of December, and it said that it could be purchased and like you can place your order through the Makartt nail lab Lux box, you know, subscription thing on the 31st. So that's exactly when I placed my order because I wanted to get that box. And unfortunately it took like 2 weeks for it to come here, and then when I opened up this box, it was not the Natali Carmona box, it was the December box, and I was very confused. So I went ahead and messaged Makartt, and they said since I purchased it in December that I got the December box. So I don't know, I felt kind of misled by that. But anyways, I am just going to keep this box, and at the end of the month they're going to charge me again for the Natali Carmona box, and I should get it. I've seen so many videos on it already. I feel like it's been, you know, reviewed so many times, but I still want to review it. So once that does come here, I will be doing a review on that. But for today's video, I am just going to unbox the Makartt Nail Lab monthly Lux box. This is the $35 one. With tax it's almost like $40, but you get a lot of stuff in here. So I believe this is the December 2021 box. My box did get a little messed up right here, and just please ignore this whole hand. I'm having problems with this nail. I'm not trying to let it grow out, and I just have some base coat and top coat on these nails just to protect them until this nail is healed, and I will get back to doing my right hand nails. But you guys would have seen these already. I just did a simple nude set. The coloring on the camera looks like orange, but it's like a peachy nude. So anyways, let's just go ahead and open up the box. Okay, so this is what you see when you open up the box. This comes with a file, a polygel brush, and some dual forms. I don't like dual forms, but I mean, I guess, you know, if I need them, I have them. I have thrown away all my other ones because I literally never use dual forms. I don't like them at all. But anyways, it looks like we get 3 polygel colors from Awesome Color. I'm not sure if this is like a brand that Makartt sells or what, but you get 3 colors, and don't worry, I'm going to be doing swatches of all of these at the end. So you get the Awesome Color 3 pink colors. There's no name for them, but these are the 15-gram bottles, which are like the more smaller ones, but that's fine. You get 3, and then you got a lot of nail glue, which I'm pretty happy about because I have been making some press-ons, which, by the way, I will be doing some more videos on press-ons, but I need some glue to, you know, give the people that I am doing the press-ons for. So having this glue will really help me. I can just throw it in the little box and they will have it. Be on the lookout also. I have a Shein haul coming. I'm just waiting for that package to come. I ordered some nail stuff and I'm so excited for. So I'm so excited to use these. These are some chunky charms. I have never used chunky charms before, so I am so excited. I really want to do some, like, obviously like bubblegum candy theme. There's even a little gummy bear. We have a bunch of different stuff in here, so I'm excited to use these. We also have these cute little pearl charms. The packaging is really reflective, but these are very pretty. And we also have these pom-pom little hearts. I have never used these type of nail decor. I have never used the little magnet with like the pom-poms before, so I'm excited to use this. And they are hearts, so I probably will use these for a video for Valentine's Day. And it comes with 4. Then we have these stickers, which are beautiful. These are holographic reflective butterfly stickers. And then we have 2 packs of, it looks like zodiac signs, you know, stuff like that. Not signs, but like, you know, stuff to go with like zodiac theme. Next we have a Makartt Duet gel polish. So you get two colors. You get nude, pink, and lilac gray. I will be swatching these at the end, like I said, but let's just go ahead and open these up. This is a pretty color. It's like a milky gray color. And then we have the lilac gray. Oh, that's pretty. A nice gray color. Now we also get some pretty glitters. So I like how these all come in individual little pots. That kind of makes it easier. Instead of like the little containers that you open up each little section. But I think these are very pretty. They're very reflective. We have a bunch of different shapes. And last but not least, we have two big polygels. I'm excited about these. So these are 50 milliliters, and these little ones, like I said, are 15 grams. But you can just tell by the box that these are so much smaller. So we have two colors. We have white, and I'm not going to butcher that, so I will just show you guys the name. These are huge compared to, you know, like the normal size of polygel. So we have the pink color and we have the white color.